Welcome to Grade 8 TLE. Today, we will tackle the Quarter 3 FCS Week 1. Our topic for today is Introduction to Beauty Care and Wellness Services, Structures of Nail, Skin and Hair, Career and Business Opportunities. For Subtopic 1, the Concepts of Beauty Care and Wellness Services. Cosmetology, also known as beauty care, is all about the enhancement of appearance. It includes nail care, skin care, and hair care. How to stay beautiful? First, know yourself, embrace, think and feel, self-confidence, shiny and smooth, skin and smile. How to keep oneself well and healthy? First, eat nutritious, lighter and healthier meals, regular exercise, enough rest and sleep, relaxation, and of course the personal hygiene. How to keep oneself well and healthy? Wear clean clothes, keep hair clean, drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water, consult your doctor and dentist, practice good posture at all times, and have a positive outlook in life. What is some beauty care services we can avail of in a beauty salon? Nail cleaning, manicuring and pedicuring, hand spa or foot spa, hair coloring, perming, hair root treatment, hair organic keratin treatment, hair styling or haircut for females and barbering for males, facial makeup, facial masks and facial packs, body massage. For subtopic 2, the anatomy of the skin, hair, and nails. Parts and functions of the nail. Matrix is where new nail plate cells are created and the nail plates begins to form. Eponychium is the living skin at the base of the nail plate that covers the matrix area. This should not be confused with the cuticle. Premargin. Our distal edge is the anterior margin of the nail plate corresponding to the abrasive or cutting edge of the nail. Proximal fold of the aponychium, a tight band of living tissue that most people incorrectly think is their cuticle. Cuticle, a thin layer of dead tissue riding on the nail plate to form a seal between the nail plate and aponychium to prevent pathogens from infecting the matrix area. Lunula is the visible part of the matrix, the whitish crescent-shaped base of the visible nail. Nail plate, composed of hardened, flat, translucent, non-living keratin nail cells that form a solid protective layer over the underlying soft tissue. Nail bed is the soft pink tissue that sits underneath and supports the nail plate. Nail sinus as where the nail root is such as the base of the nail underneath the skin. Ways on how to take care of your nails. A healthy diet will give us healthy nails. Care for your nails weekly. Maintain nail cuticle. File nails only as needed. Nail cosmetics are not required. Do not bite nails, and artificial nails are harmful to natural nails. Skin is the largest body organ that is composed of water, protein, and minerals. The three main parts and functions of the skin are epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. How to take care of your skin. Apply sunscreen. Avoid too much skin tanning. Do not smoke. Use mild soap and facial cleanser. And take a bath. Learn to manage your stress. For hair is a thick thread-like outgrowth from the epidermis of an animal which is found on the body parts, most especially on the human head. Anatomy of the hair parts of the hair. Hair shaft and hair follicle. Hair shaft and hair follicle and how to take care of your hair. Shampoo your hair, apply a hair conditioner, wash your hair with warm water, towel dry your hair, and eat nutritious foods. For subtopic 3, the career opportunities in beauty care and wellness. Makeup artist is an expert in applying cosmetic products and techniques to improve and enhance a person's client's appearance. Nail professional, a person's work is to clean, shape, style, and take care of the person's nails. Hairstylist, a person who cuts and styles customers' hair professionally. Massage therapist, a person who gives therapeutic massage to the different body parts of the salon customer. Barber, a person who cuts hair, most especially men's hair, shaves or trims men's mustache. Wellness advisor, a professional who helps clients achieve good health by teaching them about body fitness activities. Salon owner, a person who owns and runs a beauty salon and wellness spa. That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.